Many of us know that kidneys are the organs that filter our blood and remove waste products from the body. In fact, kidneys fulfill many more functions other than that. They are one of the most important organ systems of homeostasis. Here, the kidneys help maintain the blood pressure, blood pH, and blood volume. Kidneys also secrete the hormone erythropoietin, which stimulates red blood cell production. Additionally, kidneys produce the active form of vitamin D, which is important in bone and teeth health. Diet plays a vital role in optimal kidney function and health. While some foods may harm the kidneys, others may be beneficial. So, in this video, we are going to look at 4 foods to cleanse and detox your kidneys. Number 1. Foods rich in antioxidants. There are several types of foods in this class. To mention a few: berries, citrus fruits, cruciferous vegetables, and various types of nuts. Antioxidants like resveratrol found in these foods help neutralize free radicals formed during various metabolic processes. These free radicals can cause cellular damage via inflammation. Some of these foods, especially berries, have found to prevent urinary tract infections, which is a common cause of kidney damage. Number 2. Beetroot. Beetroots are full of nitric oxide, which is a potent vasodilator that helps relax the narrowed blood vessels. Eating beetroot is also helpful to maintain a good blood pressure. Beetroot is also known to help clean your liver, and they have powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties too. Moreover, beetroots are a good source of dietary fiber, which promote gut health. Number 3. Lemon juice. Lemon juice is rich in citrate, which helps prevent kidney stones. Drinking lemon juice will also improve diuresis. In other words, it increases the urine output. Lemon juice is also rich in antioxidants and have powerful anti-inflammatory properties too. At last, we got spinach. Spinach is a nutritional powerhouse. It is full of antioxidants and B vitamins. Many studies indicate that taking spinach on a regular basis helps improve kidney health. It is important to keep in mind that taking these foods only will not help you achieve good results unless you adhere to general measures to prevent kidney damage. Some of these measures include avoiding processed junk foods and taking a balanced diet, drinking enough water, avoiding nephrotoxic drugs, reducing salt intake, and reduce blood pressure and treat other comorbidities that can harm your kidneys, including diabetes.